Morning guys, and welcome to another video for Advanced in Car. Welcome back to the channel. So today we have been working on this really cold, crunchy January day on this 2018 Audi S5 Convertible, and we have done three things. So we've done the Highline Reversing Camera, we've done traffic sign recognition activation, and we've also done the Cabriolet electric roof opening feature and closing feature. Now, seems a bit odd that we're doing that in January, but this customer is off soon on a rally to a different part of Europe where it's slightly warmer than it is here, so that's why we're doing absolutely perfectly. So we're going to start off at the back of the car, show you a little bit about the reversing camera. We'll have some images pop up on the display for the traffic sign recognition, because there isn't really a great deal of show until we're driving, but then the camera will be wobbling everywhere. And then we'll show you the Cabriolet roof module. So if you've got a vehicle like this and you want to be able to open and close the fob remotely just with your key fob, and it's a great bit of kit, and we sell lots of these, just not this time of year. So usual practice with the Highline reversing camera, although slightly different with the convertible, because this particular vehicle, when you open the boot lid itself, you've got a whole replacement grab bar. Now if the light is okay, because it's a lovely sunny day, if the light is okay, you'll be able to see the whole grab bar. Now this whole thing gets replaced. It doesn't affect the operation of opening the boot lid, but there's a new camera moulding in there that's designed to be here. And then once the cabling is then routed all the way back through the car, being mindful of the existing cabling for the vehicle and the roof and the hydraulics and all that sort of thing. Once we then get to the front, we then connect it up, code the vehicle, and then you've got the genuine Audi Highline reversing camera with the moving guidelines. Again, awesome, because this car's got front and rear factory parking sensors, so it works in conjunction and seamlessly. So Highline reversing camera, traffic sign recognition, which I've already said about, which should pop up on the screen again now, and now we've got the remote close and open feature, which we'll show you now. Okay, simple enough. If you've got something like this fitted, you want it to be able to work seamlessly. So when you want to open the roof, you just press the unlock button 3 times. So we go 1, 2, 3. Now windows will drop down. Roof, as long as your battery health is sufficient, and on, during the winter months the batteries really struggle in cars, as long as your battery is okay, then the roof will get the command to open up like so. Once the roof mechanism is finished, windows go back up into the closed position, and the reason for that is for security as well. Now there is a feature for you to set it so that the windows will also come down and stay down. Now same principle for doing back up, so we're just going to go lock, 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 and the windows will get the command just to drop down. Front windows, don't worry, because you'll see that the mechanism lifts up and over the top, and then the convertible roof will shut. As you can see, it's nice, it's smooth, and it's reliable. So if you're sat in your back garden and it starts to rain, or you're in the pub or wherever, and you want to shut or open your roof, then you can do that effortlessly with this nice comfort feature. So if you've got a vehicle that's got a convertible and you want something, get in touch with us so we can see if we can do it for you. Website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, and thanks for watching.